Good morning, guys.
Thought I was gonna sneeze.
Okay, so
Oh shit.
new weather stripping ins for the trunk. Looks really good. I love this particular company that we get them from because they have great
there's
products.
a whole, like, the kit.
Yeah.
There's everything.
Yep, which is really cool.
We even got the stuff for the side of the windows, didn't we?
Uh,
Yeah, we did.
yeah. So, that being said, God, I hate wanting to show this on video. So we're getting ready to do the door stripping. Door weather strip. Oh my God.
Who's stripping?
Yep. So, you ready? Yes, I know, my OSHA approved flip-flops.
My OSHA approved Vans.
And so when they painted the car, they just kind of taped everything up. They didn't really take anything off. So they glued everything.
And that's the original thing.
Yep.
Or at least
And that's what we think is the original color of the car.
whatever was before this.
Yeah.
I feel like it's too yellow. Like it's too.
Well, that was a common yellow back in the day. I mean, it was.
It's too like 20th century.
I keep forgetting you.
I know. I'm one of them Gen Zers.
Yeah. So that being said,
I'm not a boomer. You're a boomer.
no, I'm not a boomer. I wasn't born in that era.
But you're old,
I'm a
so
Gen X.
You're a boomer.
No, I'm a Gen X.
But you're old, so you're a boomer.
Whatever. So now we've got to get all of this cleared off. And they used some really...
You have to get that cleared off.
Yeah. So, yay.
And then I'm gonna do these window. But what are these actually called? I call them window knobs.
They're, well, window handles, window knobs. I mean, either way, not a big deal.
Better than power windows.
Yeah, I kind of agree. I really do.
Less
things to break.
Yeah.
That's why I love the older cars. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, yay.